Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I have not done a hair update in a very long time. I've been trying a whole lot of curly friendly hair care in general. So today I'm going to be rounding up all of the products I've tried, some newbies, some faves, as well as the best way I go about getting my curls. I know that, this is like new to me and this is what I like. So you can always tweak what I do for your hair type or how you want it to look. But for me, these are the products I love, what I've been trying, and how I use them. So if that's something you're into, make sure to keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe because that'll be the best way to stay up to date on all the fun stuff I'm posting. So if you want to jump into some hair care favorites and how to keep your hair nourished, hydrated, and happy, stay tuned. Okay, so first thing we're going to talk about is going to be shampoos and how to keep your hair clean. So I personally wash my hair every 3 days or so, and every third wash I do a clarifying shampoo. So the shampoo that I've been loving the most is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo. You can see from the state of the bottle, I have been loving this. Great for hydrating my hair, great for enhancing my curl pattern. Whenever I use this, I see a reduction in frizz by a whole lot. Obsessed and in love, like ride or die 100%. Now, I did mention this in the last video. So the shampoo I'm going to talk about that I've worked into my routine, this is from Pattern. This is the Clarifying Reset and Refresh Shampoo. This is a clarifying shampoo. So even though this is a clean shampoo that doesn't have a lot of crap in it, it still will leave some product buildup in your hair. So making sure that every third wash you are using a clarifying shampoo definitely works in your favor. I love this one because it smells delicious. I mean, this is beautiful. You are going to notice a trend in this video that there's quite a few products from Pattern because that's what I've really been excited to try lately. But I will go into a lot of other products as well. Pattern is just the one that I'm most excited about right now. The clarifying shampoo left my hair feeling beautiful without feeling stripped. It was still hydrated, and once I put my hair conditioner in, everything was all curly and beautiful all over again. So you want to make sure you're using a clarifying shampoo that doesn't strip your hair. This is the one I've been loving. Now, two other shampoo and conditioner sets that I've been using, one that I love and one that I don't, are, so first from Aussie, they have the Miracle Curl line. I have the shampoo, the conditioner, and the 3 Minute Miracles Deep Conditioner. Now, the shampoo and the conditioner are nice, but it is the Miracle Curl Deep Conditioner that I love. The way that I use this is I will spray a little bit into my hand before I shower, work it into my hair, and just kind of leave it there for like 10 minutes. Then when I get into the shower, I will do a deep condition with it. This is not a shampoo day. This is on just like a day where I want to refresh, but I don't want to do a full wash day. Wash day takes some time, and I knew I had to film today. So knowing that I didn't have time to do the full-on routine, I took a little bit of a conditioner, masked my hair, let it dry in a plot for a little bit and diffused it, and that was it, which is why the curls are a little bit larger than they normally are. I definitely have a little more frizz than I normally do, but this is not a full wash day. This was just a deep mask refresh day. Now, the set I'm not loving, unfortunately this was sent to me, but I did not like how it worked. This is the Frizzy's Dream Curls shampoo and conditioner from Frieda. I got so much frizz with this that even the easiest way to see your curl pattern is when your hair is saturated and super wet. So when I'm in the shower and I just like put my head forward, I see my hair going into these curly clumps. Sometimes I'll even only have 3 of them. That's how much my hair likes to get into their curls. And when I had that, it was super frizzy and a lot of my hair just wouldn't clump together into a curl. And once I dried, I tried this air drying it, I tried it plopping it, I tried it with a diffuser. I've tried it now 3 or 4 times, and I am not a fan. My hair was just way too frizzy for me to enjoy it. While I'm on the subject of the product that I didn't love that much, this is the Not Your Mother's Curl Talk Deep Conditioning Mask. I liked it. It wasn't bad. I just like this one a whole lot more, and for the price, like you get double the amount, and it's cheaper. This one was definitely more of a win for me. Again, this is a great product, but I think I liked the Aussie one more. But you guys know I've been a fan of Aussie hair care for a long time. All right, moving on to another conditioner I've been loving. This is the Medium Conditioner for Curlies Hydrate and Nourish from Pattern. Again, I love the smell. This works whether I'm using it with the Shea Moisture or if I'm using it with Pattern. I have tried this with a lot of products, and this is like the lifesaver conditioner. You know, you have that moment, especially in like makeup, where if things aren't looking so great, you take your beauty blender with the right setting spray and you can make it look better. That is how I feel about this conditioner. This was the only thing that was able to bring my hair back from the edge after the John Frieda. I put the Frieda in, it didn't work. I like threw the pattern in there, let it sit for a few minutes, rinsed it out, and my hair was back. So definitely something to consider looking at. And what I like most about the pattern conditioners is they have it for the light, the medium, and the intense. So depending on the level of hydration you need, I went with the medium because my hair is very curly, but it's not coils as much as, you know, somebody who might have a bit of a more intense curl pattern than I do. So even though my hair does form into ringlets and does curl, I wouldn't necessarily think that I needed the coily, so I went with the curly. I did also almost finish up, which is how you know I like it. This is the Coconut Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie, also from Shea Moisture. I have one more application in there, and then I'm going to be moving on. I did pick up the Pattern Curl Cream, so I will be trying that next, but this is the only one that I have found that, like, I kept going back to. I had two more that I had tried that were okay, but this is the one that, like, for me, I will be getting a backup in case I don't like the pattern, but based on how I've liked the Pattern product so far, I don't think I'll have a problem. Now, I did finish up the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream, so I picked up the Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. Same brand, the ingredients are a little bit different, and I'm trying to figure out which one I like more. They're about the same price, but you get a lot more product in this one. But I will say that this one is a lot thicker. So I feel like they just, you know, whip it with water, make it a little bit thinner, and add some other ingredients. So this one is definitely more nourishing. I like this one, but after I use it, I feel like my hair can use a little bit more hydration even. So I'm probably going to go back to this one, but again, it's empty. I like this one. I just find that I'm using a little bit more of it, so even though it's a bigger bottle, I'm not really getting any more out of it because I have to use more product. Moving on to tools. Now, the last time I filmed a video, I was using the Tangle Teezer. I picked up the Pattern In Shower Mini Brush. Now, this is the mini. It comes in a full size, but obviously I don't have a lot of hair, so for me, the mini was the perfect size. Basically, the way that I use them both is this one sits outside of my shower on my sink, and this one lives in my shower. So I will use this to comb shampoo and conditioner through my hair to make sure that it hits every strand. And then when I'm applying my leave-in and my curl cream, I use this out of the shower. I find that this one, being in a palm when my head is running underwater, is really nice and easy for making sure that this gets all the way down to my scalp. But when you're using a brush like this to get your curls to find themselves when you get out of the shower, it's really important to get that tension, and the handle just helps me get a little bit more tension on the brush, which will get my curls a little bit stronger. Brandon does the exact same thing, except actually with his curls, he'll actually take this into the shower. I like the palm brush in the shower a little bit more than he does, but we both prefer the handled brush when we are outside of the shower at the sink curling out our hair. And this last is going to be a really, it's a sad moment for me. So I recently got sent the new T3 Fit blow dryer. I did buy the diffuser myself, but they sent me the hair dryer. I really like it because, you know, you push the cold button and you don't have to hold it like a lot of blow dryers. And the diffuser basket is nice, but I do find I get a lot more frizz with this, even with a lower temperature and a lower intensity. So the PYT one that you guys know I like is a lot smaller, and it only has low and high. This one has low, high, hot, warm, and cold. So I've been using this at multiple temperatures. I've tried different intensities, different strengths, and I still find that me using this little basket to press my hair like this on the lower setting gives me a better curl than using this one. This one was in a BoxyCharm box, and it is like a $40-something value. This is a $150 value plus the $25 diffuser, and I like this one more. So that really hurt me inside because I was so prepared to love the T3, and I really liked it at first. And then after a little bit more time, I actually prefer the smaller one, and I think that just has to do with the amount of hair I have, because I don't have like a lot of hair cascading down where having the basket down here is helpful. I basically like either sit with my head like this or plop it on top of my head and let it dry that way. Now, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any other questions, let me know them down below. But those are my current, I guess, favorites and flops when it comes to hair care. I will be incorporating more hair products into my monthly favorites and flops, as well as into some other favorites videos throughout the months and year. But I do want to every now and then give you guys a hair update for those of you who are here strictly for hair. Thank you guys. Let me know down below what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.